Hello and welcome to episode 11 of the How To series. We're going to quickly run over how to place a reorder from one of your previous orders within your account or order history. So, once you're onto our website, when you're logged into your account, hover over your profile icon in the top right hand corner and click Order History. So from here I can see that I've got a previous order totaling £1,715.81 and it was last modified on the 19th of October 2022. Now, as you can see, I have three options available to me on the right hand side here. I've got the view icon, I've also got the query icon, and I've got the reorder icon. So this time round, we're going to click reorder. And it takes me straight to the basket, where it shows me all the items in that basket. Just down from here, I can click edit baskets if I wish to take one of the items out of this basket before I click reorder. Also within here, I can obviously change or add my delivery address. I can view the billing address against this order, my delivery options, payment method, set a purchase order number if applicable, and also add a notes. Once I've done that, I then click confirm order down the bottom here, and that will then send the order off and our team will deal with it. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you need any other help, please do feel free to contact us via the live chat on our website, or via email, or via phone. Please feel free to go and watch the other videos in this series. Thank you very much for watching.